Okay, mate. So let's asking for a friend. Yeah, PI network. Let's have a look at it. Now, the daily. I'm on Gate.io here. It seems to be relatively new. I'm not sure why I'm only getting this amount of data. This is another exchange on OKX. MEXC seems to be the same. So, what I'm trying to say is I remember the PI network being around for a lot longer. I'm not sure what's going on here. Maybe there's a different coin I'm thinking about. But let's have a look through some of this. And yeah, I mean the yearly. Let's just delete that. Yearly is pretty good. Obviously, it's only a new coin, so it's going to be the same in all of those. So the monthly, as you can see here, we've 5 days into the month or whatever it is. So it is still red here. So there's no reason to be trying to get long here. There's a good chance that this continues to drop. I would suggest to fill this initial candle, to get some sort of retrace. It is red right now, so there is no need to be bullish on this coin at this point, because it's a new coin only opening. There's no need to be bullish on it. So definitely good to be careful until we break above that white line. Okay, let's just continue to. I just want to see the lower time frames, like the weekly and the 2 week. So the 2 week, some coins do pop up and be strong and continue, and you get that continuation off new coins sometimes. So I'm not saying that it can't go higher. I'm just saying sometimes you do need to be cautious in case you do get that retrace, which is a very normal occurrence. Now, what has been happening in the market recently is that new coins have been opened. They've been opened, but they've been opened and pump hard on the first day or whatever it is, and it's not even a real pump. Let's see the first daily candle. Yeah, well, see this. So it's really, there. I'm not sure what this is up here, but what I'm saying is, like that's 800%. That's what I'm saying. It's not really a real move, but when these coins get launched, the market caps can be too big after launch. And then a lot of these new coins have been dropping and dropping back down because the market cap is too big. There's been a lot of people buying it up in here in the ICO. It's not an ICO, but in the early investor stages. And then when a new coin's released, they all start dumping onto the market, and the coin continues to drop. And that has been a common occurrence. So that's why I'm saying, you need to be careful here and watch carefully, just in case that happens again. As mentioned, it's best to not be overly bullish until price gets back above that line there. So in the meantime, I think it's best to just let it develop. If you're really, really keen on this, I mean, you need to watch it day by day if you really want to check it. There's a very good chance it does drop away, but if it doesn't drop away and somehow this is going to be more bullish, well, you'd want to see something like this on a new day. And if you get something like that on a new day, which is negating this bearish candle, well, then you can start to think, well, okay, there's something here. Well, I'm going to jump on and try and get continuation here to the upside and see if it can run. So at the moment, it's bearish. This is a bearish engulfing candle. It's bearish on the week. It's bearish on the month. It's red on the month. So it is suggesting until, continue to watch it until the market shows its hand. And I mean show its bullish hand. At the moment, it is showing its bearish hand for now. So we need to watch carefully to see if that changes. Now, if we just throw a point of control on this here, you'll see it's probably, in here you can see this large breakup candle. At the bottom of here, there's a lot of buyers in here. Prices retested the point of control here now. This point of control needs to hold. If it breaks down below this point of control, that is even larger cause for concern. At the moment, this point of control is acting as support. So you do want to see it hold above that. If you break down below it, you got to be even more careful. At the moment also, I suppose we can look and we can check VWAP here, and you can see the price is breaking down below VWAP again today. Right? It was above it and it held above it and we continued higher, but obviously this bad reversal in prices now dropped down, and we are, you got to watch that level because it's breaking down below VWAP, and it is getting supported by the point of control. So it is kind of in a bit of no man's land at the moment. It's trying to figure itself out. At the moment, it's slightly bearish, but still in that chop, as you can see right here, trying to figure itself out. I would have suggested, to be honest, that there would be a bounce first before going lower. That's the way I would have thought it would have played out. But if it's going to drop first, we got to watch for a double bottom here that could send that price higher again. Okay, so a drop here might actually be a good thing. So we need to watch just to see where the drop the finishes. If it's only a quick drop and then recaptures the point of control again, which was here somewhere, that would be okay, and that could actually turn into a bullish situation. So we need to watch that. If you're bullish, if you want to be bullish, watch somewhere down here in a double bottom type area. So anyway, mate, yeah, good to have a little patience on it, but yeah, tell your friend just to keep an eye on it and let it develop a bit, and it might present a long opportunity in the near future. I hope you're well.